Hello, I am the animated version of Victor Isibo. In this video, I am going to share with you 4 websites and applications that helps you to earn money by viewing ads and watching videos. These are websites that pay and you don't need to invest any money at all. Are you curious to know what these websites and applications are? Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. So the first website where you can earn money by viewing ads is StarClicks. Okay, so a quick whiz check on starclicks.com shows that the website was registered as far back as 2008. That is 14 years ago. And on the website you can see that you can withdraw your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, or Western Union. And of course, the minimum payout is $50. It may take a long time for you to reach the minimum payout if you are on the free package. So you may want to upgrade your package to either the gold or the platinum package. But just do well to check out their website real quick. You can see that this company has a 4.8 star rating on Trustpilot and it is labeled a verified company. And of the 23,700 people who gave feedbacks, 92% of them are satisfied with this company's performance. So do well to check out this website while we move on to the next one. Coming in at number 2 is permission.io. This website allows you to register for free and start viewing ads and earning. You earn in their native token called Ask. The Ask token is not yet tradable on major exchanges, but you can spend it in their Ask store, where you can buy gift cards and other fun items. CoinMarketCap shows that the Permission Ask token has a value of $0.0009302, showing that the token actually exists and is recognized within the crypto spheres. Do well to check out permission.io while we move on to the next one. Coming in at number 3 is adviev.com. Adviev is a unique platform for earning via ads. Minimum withdrawal is 25 cents. They have 2 packages aside from the free one. The package Ion V2 cost is $5. Daily returns is 0.88% for 125 days. That's a total of 110% returns. The second package is the package Chrome V2. Cost is $25, 0.639% daily earnings for 180 days. That's a total of 115% returns. Note carefully that you do not have to subscribe to any of these packages to earn, as you can earn for free. Payout is via Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Payeer, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Do well to check them out as we proceed to the next one, number 4. Last but not least is the website current.us. They have 2 applications. The one on the iOS store is called the Current app, and the one on the Android Google Play Store is called the Mode Earn app. The app enables you to earn money by listening to music, and there's also the option of watching ads and getting paid. payment is via PayPal and cryptocurrencies. You earn points and then you convert them to cash. So those are the 4 ways for you to earn money by viewing ads, all for free. So there you go. Those are the 4 websites that pays you for watching ads, all for free. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Share this video within your community. And of course, please subscribe. And let me see your comments in the comment section below. Till I see you in another video, I remain the animated version of Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.